My name's Lily Fangs. Thank you for doing what you do. This is what I do. I've been writing around with writers, wrecking pens, then wrecking ciphers, and pop bennies and spark lighters, and they telling me I'm fly like a flock of jet fighters. But I'm giving all these fools tummy pains like they caught appendicitis. I am Midas with the pen, I might just spit that righteous Leonidas, verbal arthritis, and get it cracking like some knuckles, dude. Ain't nobody ever tell you the Saren is rude. Yeah. Go on and take a picture, it'll last longer. I ain't going nowhere, so put the flash on first. The flash on first. While I kill this beat and then I put it in a hearse. I drop some knowledge, make a comment that'll compact your common sense into $1. I'm intolerant of entitlement. So, mess off with all that bullshit and hollering, holler away while you wobbling, wallowing all your problems and sorrow like we ain't all got a man. We all need each other. We all feel each other. If you got shoes on your feet, walk over to your brother. You got food on your plate, go try and feed another. I'm just saying shit. But off top, I'm the illest. You can catch me eating local. Fresher than organic, never messing with commercial. Center of attention like camera and the focal. Haters talk up if you really feeling vocal. What's that? Yeah, I didn't hear nothing. Me fall back, why? I don't fear nothing. Coming full throttle, I'm hotter than an iguana, smoking doobies in the sauna while he's wearing his pajamas. Ooh, that means hot is what that means. Thanks, y'all.